course, more than a page, but I see it all, and
ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ló ń pè ọ́ kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀ àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀. ààfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ bó dọ́jà ni. èmi tí ń tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi, fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ mí sí. èmi náà kọ́, Ọlọ́run ọba òkè ló fún mi ṣe ní gbogbo ìgbà.
This movie gets me like because I love the movie. I don't have much movies I love like that, but Omotara just it's my favorite movie from that era.
Okay, so ìwọ ló rán ọmọ táwọn tí ẹ ṣe ni.
oh yeah.
Okay, mo ti rí pé freedom kò bá ẹ lára mu àtọ torí ìwọ máa rán ẹ padà lọ sí ẹ̀wọ̀n yẹn.
èmi gan wá fi yí ẹ wípé season 3 ìtajìjọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ yìí ò ní wò tán.
èmi Túndé bá ń gbọ́ gbà.
I say God bless you, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala celebrate you all too. For those that did not celebrate me, I still say thank you. God bless you. I really appreciate you all, from the movie industry to the music and to the IT world. I say thank you. God bless you. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala celebrate you all as well. Thank you. I don't even know what to say. I don't know where to start, and I am sorry I cannot start to mention the names of everyone that celebrated me, because the list is so long and of course more than a page, but I see it all and I appreciate it. Momolorio, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you, and God bless.
I don't think the character knew what she was doing. She felt she was protecting her daughter and her marriage. Unfortunately, like I said, there's at times people do evil without knowing that they are being evil.
Should in-laws stay with their children when they marry?
For me, I don't think so. Let them live their lives. Let them make the mistakes and correct themselves.
Omotara Johnson, I saw something on Instagram and you said we are coming back. Can you tell us about that?
I'm just going to say watch out for AIDS. AIDS is another blockbuster from Bukky Wright. We are finished filming. We are now in editing. It's a star-studded movie.
And I know that this is not the first time you and Iyabo Ojo will be on set together.
Before I saw her on this set, I had not seen Iyabo in like 10 years or more. And that's why I would forever appreciate Bukola Ogunshola for this.
Bimbo, can you ask your mom to change back to channel?
Why?
I'm watching the live match.
That's all you know. Football. I like Nero Noara Galatia.
Mama, please just stay out of my business.
How dare you talk to my mom like that?
She's an intruder. What do you mean?
Me? Intruder? No, mommy. Don't you dare insult my mom.
Why don't you go somewhere else where they will not insult you?
You know my mom once said
You see, that's the problem. That's the problem. Your mom.
What did my mom do?
Is it good the way we are suffering?
God will help us now.
Why don't you go to Chief Moluku so I can have this job
over my dead body?
Did you fall out of love with acting? Is that what happened?
No, I did not
Or
fall
you had
out.
done everything and there was nothing else to prove?
I didn't fall out of love with acting, and hadn't done it all. There are still a lot of things that I'm still looking forward to doing, but I had to take a break for my children. My children called and I had to take a break. You know, there's a time in a woman's life and the children's life when they need you more than ever. And my children are abroad, so I had to leave everything to, go take care of my children, because I would always tell anybody that you don't want to leave your children with anybody abroad, especially at a certain age. That's when they will tell, you're not my mom, you can't talk to me like that. You are not my dad. No, you can't tell me that. So be there yourself so that they'll tell you to your face, okay, try and tell me I'm not your mom, because my children know that. Right? They can't tell me I'm not. I know. They know they can't tell me.
Yeah. For now, our clients in Australia. Hello, how are you, sir?
Toyin. So we're all right. She video notes. I miss her. I'm doing video. This is how I'm going to post. Toyin ma pa mi. I miss her so much. Toyin ma pa mi. Ṣé ló máa fún mi lọ́rùn. Toyin. Orí ẹ fàyà ni. Oya, close up. Toyin jẹ́ kí yẹn méjèèjì without your.
My name is Bukky Wright. I am playing the role of Bimbo's mom in Something About the Breeds. It's so interesting how mothers killed their children wrongly without knowing what they're actually doing to kill their children. People can be so evil without knowing that they are evil.
Ibi bàtà fọ́ ẹnu ẹ̀. Nígbà ni. Olófò ló bó ṣe rí.
Ọmọ Tara.
Yeah.
Okay, so ìwọ ló rán ọmọ táwọn tiẹ̀ ṣe ni.
Oh yeah.
Okay, mo ti rí pé freedom kò bá ẹ lára mu àtọ̀. Torí ìwọ máa rán ẹ padà lọ sí ẹ̀wọ̀n yẹn.
Èmi gan wá fi yí ẹ wípé season 3 ìtajìjọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ yìí. O ò ní wò tán.
Èmi Túndé Báńgbọ́pà.
Gbàgbé mo sọ fún ẹ wọ́n bàbá Túndé Báńgbọ́pà.
Èmi Túndé Báńgbọ́pà.
Èmi ò ní wò tán.
O ṣe bí irú ẹ̀ tó ṣe níjọ́sí yẹn ni. Torí ìwọ tí bá mú ẹ máa rún ẹ wírinwírin báyìí máa yá ẹ sí wẹ́wẹ́ ni. O ò tí ì rí nǹkan kan. Ìwọ ò tí ì rí nǹkan kan. O ò lẹ́ẹ̀ rárá.
Èmi gan ṣe kí ni màá bá yí ẹ jẹ. Gbogbo nǹkan tí mo ní ni màá fi bẹ́ẹ̀ jà.
I will lock you up for life.
Wàá mọ̀ pé àgọ́ mi ó fẹ̀yìn rìn. Ọlọ́mọgbára wà fún ẹ.
Èmi Túndé Báńgbọ́pà.
Ayé ò ní dá Túndé Báńgbọ́pà.
Okay.
Màá sùn ẹ nínú ìlú yìí.
Mo tiẹ̀ ní táìmù ẹ
Màá
láàárọ̀.
sùn ò ní táìmù ta ni wà títa ni. O ò ní táìmù kí ni. O ò ní wọnú mọ́tò yẹn.
Ọmọ Tara. Ọmọ Tara. Ọmọ Tara. Ọmọ Tara. Okay. Mo ti rí pé o lẹ́ẹ̀n anything. Gbogbo time to spend ní jail kò tí ì kọ́ ẹ ní ọgbọ́n. Àbí wàá ríran. I will send you away for life. O máa spend gbogbo life ẹ in jail. Wàá ríran. Lọ́wọ́ tẹ̀ kó kúrò lọ́nà tẹ̀mí.
Mọ́tò ò tí bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní fò. Kò ní yẹ. Forí ẹ̀ kọjá. Forí ẹ̀ kò kọjá. Ayé ẹ̀ máa bàjẹ́ ni. Wà títa ni. Má ṣe ṣégè mẹ́wàá má ṣe fún ẹ ní ìlú yìí. Èmi àti ẹ ò ní ṣe irú ẹ̀ mọ́. Tí ẹ máa bàjẹ́ ni tí ẹ ó máa rún jégéjégé. Ó máa rún. Lórí burúkú.
Bọ́lọ́kọ̀ wá jẹ́jẹ́ jẹ́jẹ́ bọ́lọ́kọ̀ wá jẹ́jẹ́ bọ́lọ́kọ̀ wá jẹ́jẹ́ jẹ́jẹ́ bọ́lọ́kọ̀ wá jẹ́jẹ́ àwa sojúde apọ̀lọ́kọ̀ àpèrò bí ó wá jẹ́jẹ́ bọ́lọ́kọ̀ wá jẹ́jẹ́ jẹ́jẹ́ bọ́lọ́kọ̀ wá jẹ́jẹ́ bọ́lọ́kọ̀ wá jẹ́jẹ́ jẹ́jẹ́ bọ́lọ́kọ̀ wá jẹ́jẹ́ àwa sojúde apọ̀lọ́kọ̀ àpèrò bí ó wá jẹ́jẹ́. Ìfẹ́ ò bá ṣọmú o ìfẹ́ lè má rí mú ohun gbogbo kọ́ la ó ra rorò tán lé lórí kọjá má lọ ọ̀rẹ́ mi mọ ohun tó pé òun ẹ má ṣòun.
Ǹjẹ́ mi ò ní rọra sọ gbogbo past mi fún báyìí? Torí mi ò tún gbọ́dọ̀ lù sí ìfọ̀kànbalẹ̀ yìí. Ó jẹ́ kí rọra sọ fún un.
Ah. Adéhùn.
Ṣé o enjoy oúnjẹ?
Àwọn kọjá bẹ́ẹ̀. Kọjá bẹ́ẹ̀.
Darling, mo dẹ̀ lọ́rọ̀ kan tí mo fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ.
Okay, mo gbọ́. Mo gbọ́. Ayé. Yeah. One of our clients láti Australia. Wọ́n pè. So, hello, how are you, sir?
Ẹ̀fọ́ ìṣúdọ̀ọ́rẹ́ òdo. Ọlọ́ta títí, àwọn ọlọ́ta yẹ́rí. Ọ̀gá ṣe nàríkà. This spiritual to me. This movie gets me like because I love the movie. I don't have much movies I love like that, but Omotara Johnson, it's my favorite movie from that era. From that era, Ole Wopa. Nígbà yẹn mo ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wọ secondary school. Ole wọ ọdún secondary mo tún dé university mo tún wò. Mo tún parí university mo tún ṣe òwò. Ẹ ṣe masters à ń bò. And I'm sure that by the time I give birth, àwọn ọmọ mi náà gbọ́dọ̀ wò. Ẹ̀fọ́ ìṣúdọ̀ọ́rẹ́ òdo. Ọlọ́ta títí, àwọn ọlọ́ta yẹ́rí. Ọ̀gá ṣe nàríkà. This spiritual to me. This movie gets me like because I love the movie.
Where are my Ashwebi ladies? Ashwebi ladies.
Girls, we are all over social media, all over TV, everywhere.
Ashwebi ladies.
Where's my rent? My rent expires in 3 days.
They see you throw money everywhere. Like Jagaban.
This girl is not like the other girls that stayed here before. She has like over 200,000 followers on Instagram. Verified, and she knows important people. No, I knew there was something about you. I just always hated.
You can't say you're not sure of what you want, and yet you're getting dolled up to be in another man's arm. I am not a pause button that you will just press whenever you feel like. I'm done.
Listen, I built my man with my money. Unlike you, behaving like a spoiled child, spending money unnecessarily. Goodness, I work for my money. Why can't I spend the money?
We are broke.
Hey, take it easy, Tigress, okay?
Ashwebi is meant to unite us. That is why we do it in this culture. This riffraff crashed my party with a stupid little friend. Because you think we grew up poor. You think you're better than us? You are an irresponsible wife. Don't go to bed! Ashwebi is meant to unite.
Lovers of Bukky Wright all over the world and all the customers of Asia collections, I want to use this opportunity to let you know that our old page was hijacked, and you can follow us on this new page scrolling on the screen and shop for your luxury items. I won't do it if it's not luxury. Trust me. I love you all. Mashallah.
Nǹkan tó wà nínú ẹ̀, ìyá mi ló bá sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún ọ sí. Máa dán bọ́ọ̀lù mi. Kí ni wàá ṣe? Máa dán bọ́ọ̀lù mi. Mú wá. Àbọ̀lórí burúkú ni ẹ. Àbọ̀lórí burúkú. Ẹ bá mi, ẹ ká mọ̀ wá.
Má kiri lọ́jà. Are you mad? Go and fight. Ẹni tó mọ yìí marriage nìyẹn. Mo ní go and fight. Tó ti gbọ́, màmá ẹ̀ ní mo jà, kí ló wá ṣe ẹ́? Ọkùnrin yẹn gbọ́dọ̀ ni mo fẹ́ rí tó bá dùn mí bọ́jà. Lùmí ìgbà kẹ́kẹ́ kan wá mi. Ìwọ má jẹ. Yọ má bọ̀. Má bọ̀ wọ. Ìwọ fi lọ́dọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn máa lẹ̀ wọ́n lẹ̀. Ọ̀fi ọ̀bẹ yìí jẹ́ mi ṣe. Ọ̀dọ̀ tí ọmọ yẹn máa lẹ̀ wọ́n lẹ̀. Tí ọmọ yẹn máa lẹ̀ wọ́n lẹ̀. Yóò ní láì kí ẹbí ní fọ̀júfẹ́ o. Àjà fún yín.
ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ìlú ń pè ọ́ kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀ àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀. ààfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ bó dọ́jà ni. èmi tìyín tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi, fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ mí sí. èmi náà kọ́, Ọlọ́run ọba òkè ló fún mi ṣe ní gbogbo ìgbà.